guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I'm filming this video this way because I literally had a mini surgery. I had all 4 of my wisdom teeth removed, and this box just got delivered. My whole face is swollen. I won't be able to feature this box the way I normally would. That's the reason I thought to film it this way, so please bear with me. Okay, so this is a Ipsy June Ipsy box, and it looks like this. And this is all I received for the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing, and let's dive straight in. Alrighty, you guys, this is what the Ipsy Glam Bag looks like. It's so pretty, it's colorful. I love the way it looks, and as you can see, the zip here is also colorful as well. This bag is so pretty. It was just brighten up your day. I'm gonna start by unbagging this one. Alrighty, the first product I have here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna open it up. This is in the shade Crush. I've been into lip products lately, so each time I receive products like this, it does make me happy. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is gonna be so pretty on me. I love it. Makes me so excited. And the next product I have here is by the brand Gerard Cosmetics. This is their external eyeliner. I'm running low on eyeliners, so this is a huge, I'm so excited for that one. And the next product I have here is the is by the brand Dermatologist's Choice. This is their pH Balance Cleanser. Looks like this. And last but not least is the Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Case. This is a hair product for your wash days. I'm just gonna read, I don't know, can you guys see it? And it says massage the product into hair, and it says massage the product into hair and scalp after repair. Shampoo, leave for 5 minutes and rinse. That's what it looks like. You guys, I forgot to read out the theme for this month. It's do you, bold, move only. This month, amp you up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. I love that. Really cute. And the last product I have here is the what's this? This is the Tarte. I believe this is on mascara. Looks like this. I love the packaging though. So pretty. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Just gonna open it. I'm always excited to receive mini mascaras like this because I love to use it for my lower lash line. Sorry, for my lower lashes. It looks like this. Okay, so this is all I received for my Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm gonna push this aside and unbag the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for you guys. This month's bag is so pretty. I love it. Thank you, Ipsy. Next I have here is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Looks like this. It's a beautiful drawstring bag. It's similar to, I would say is the same, but it's just the material that is different. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. So for the first product I have here, is the Benefit Professional Super Setter. This is their long-lasting makeup setting spray. Looks like this. I'm gonna just quickly open it so you can see. Looks like this. It says it locks on makeup for 16 hours, instantly blurs pores, feels weightless. I'd like to try this, and it's also alcohol free. I'd like to try this and let you guys know if it really does work. I have like a few makeup setting sprays, but I haven't tried this one before. I'll let you guys know what's up. The next product I have here is by Foxy Bay, No Fox Given. I haven't heard of this brand before. It is their 12-in-1 Magic Daily Living Hair Max. Looks like this. It contains biotin and it's sulfate and paraben free. I really love to try this. I'm on the hunt for good hair products, so this does make me happy. I'll try and let you guys know. And the next product I have here is by the brand Balm. This is their lemon and black pepper lip balm. I haven't heard of this brand before. This is what the packaging looks like though. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna open it up real quick. I've been obsessed with lip products lately, you guys, so this lip products really do make me happy. Thank you so much, Ipsy. This is what it looks like. Lemon and black pepper lip balm. Okay, let me see what it looks like inside. It's actually when I heard black pepper, I'm like, is this gonna be a black lip balm or what? This is what it looks like. Okay, it's not black. Thank you so much, Ipsy. I'm so excited for this one. And last but not least, here is by the brand Mod Masky. This is their serum infused eye max. It looks like this. And it says it helps to reduce dark circle, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dark skin and swelling. It's fragrance free and it's pH balanced. Looks like this. I like to use it and let you guys know what I think about the product. But the packaging is cute, and you get this is a full-size product as well. I'd like to try this and let you guys know. And the last product I have here, which I know everyone would like. This is a set of makeup brushes. It's really attractive. This is by the brand SL Miss Glam. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it says SL Miss Glam Stay Sparkly Rainbow Lux Set Eye Makeup. Makeup brushes. They are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see this? I don't know if I'm ever going to use this because it's just so pretty. Oh my god. I'll just open up this one. You guys, look. If you're into sparkly stuff, like girly stuff, you would love this. And the bristles are so soft. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I love this. I really do. Thank you so much, Ipsy. Thank you for the sparkles. I love these brushes. They're so pretty. Don't forget to subscribe to Ipsy for your monthly goodies. So this will bring me to the end of this video. If you received any of these products featured in this video, please do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe if you like videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.